I don't know why, but I have a sudden urge to share my watch collection. Mini watch collection. This is the first one. It's silver. I don't even know where this came from. Probably from mama. It was supposed to be given to I don't know who, but it just got stuck at the house. So I said, well, I don't know, just give it to me. So yeah, this is my silver watch. It's very manifest, and I'm a gold girly at heart, so I don't really wear this a lot, but I wore this today, so I don't know. Sometimes I just get the urge to like wear this watch. Just yeah, very casual watch. Next is this Michael Kors. I think the term is two-toned watch, but it has a lot of gold accent. You see, this is a gift from my mother. So yeah, thank you, mama. I wear this for like formal events. Cute. Okay. Next is this one, the newest from my collection. This is a Cartier dupe. I think the name is the Benoit, right? It's a Benoit watch. I don't have 1 million pesos to spare, so for now, I'm happy with this. It's very cute. It's very, I don't know, it's very chic to me. See? I don't know, it's so cute to me. Just bought this from the TikTok shop, so yeah, very cute. Last but not the least is my Apple Watch. That is on 2%. This doesn't come with it. I just bought it. Well, this is a freebie from a strap, two straps that I bought, but I didn't like the straps. I mean, it was cute in the beginning, but the first strap that I bought was already like tarnishing, and it was like not cheap as well. And then the second strap it's fine. It's not tarnishing. It's gold. It's cute, but it's so hard to put on. So I just stick with the default strap that this watch comes with. My other watch face. Yeah, it's my faves because it's just my face. Narcissus yarn. I mean, I like this. You can count your steps. This is my default that I use a lot. What I don't like about the Apple Watch is you have to charge it every 2 days. Like, I don't know, it's kind of tiring. So yeah, this is my mini watch collection. My cuties. Oh, I don't know why I did this. I suddenly had the urge to do it. Maybe because it's raining and I'm bored. So yeah.